What's up, guys? Evan Aldo here. So in this video, I'm going to show you in the beginning right now, I'm going to show you kind of the case for a $100,000 to $200,000 in that kind of range, the bullish case for Bitcoin by December. And then I'm going to get to more some short-term analysis and why I'm shorting right now. So what goes up must come down. There's only a matter of time before the shorts come. But so yeah, we're looking really. We're starting to cautious optimism still, I guess, but we're looking like the scenario is playing out for $100,000 Bitcoin by December, by December, January area, to stick with the traditional bull cycle. So as you can see, we have a green dot in the weekly, which is huge if this gets confirmed. And I think there's a good shot it will because we're seeing money coming up. I really like what I'm seeing on the 3-day. This is just incredible on the 3-day here. Get rid of that. So the group, not incredible, but you see money. So since the top here, money coming out, but then money is just starting to come back in. We're in the positive right now, and we're coming back up. So that would give us, if we come back up to these levels, it would give us something like this. And now where's this? December. So theoretically, bam. Not that straight, but you'd go up. You'd come up, and that's potentially the course. Now, I'm not saying it's definitely going to happen. We could have a different outcome. Anything could happen. But what I personally think, and I think there's probably at least a 60% chance of this, in my opinion, going back up, turning bullish again and coming back up. We've seen a lot of hope lost. We've seen a lot of people get out of the space and just give up. But now it seems like this may be the time. And I think we're gonna have a little bit of a pullback. Let's go back to the shorter time frames. Let's show you guys a few things. So I want to look at the 6 hour. So this is printing a red dot in the 6 hour. This is looking given how high we are with the momentum wave. When's the last time we had this? This led to a very big. So I would expect us to come down a decent amount. A lot of people are talking about the importance of the level we're at right now, kind of the 37.4. We kind of lost it. So in all likelihood, we're going to come down a bit more from this dot. So you could see, maybe something like this and then come back up. Or I would say we'd probably hit like a good amount of resistance here if it's a really bearish scenario, but that would be a good resistance point. I'm more bullish for the macro. I got the hopium. I'm really getting excited here because I think this could be the turnaround. So yeah, coming down here, and then 4 hour, we just confirmed a red dot, which is kind of expected that we're coming down. I've been short since I'll show you where I went short, so and how I got there. So on the 4 hour, I saw the VWAP crossover below the zero line that happened. I think I saw it, around 12 noon or whatever, and I kind of waited a bit, and then I was at the gym today, and I got the notification. I set a notification on the 4 minute crossing over into the red. 4 minute, it's a good indicator. So I went in here, and I'm in profit still. I did take some profit here, and I think I set a kind of a more liberal stop loss with this, so I wouldn't get stopped out. I think I set my stop loss up here, which I definitely would lose, some money if we do get that high, but I don't think we will. I think we're gonna bounce off of this level and come down some more in all likelihood. That what it seems like. You can map this out. We'd probably go, probably until midnight or more. It's on the lower time frames. It's hard. It's choppy. It's hard to really like map it out there. But we could what looks like it'll happen. We are printing a green dot in the 24 minute. Doesn't mean too much because the lower time frame. But what I would think is on the 15 will most likely curve over to the purple on my chart, or the red on most people's. I got to change it back. I like Jason Casper's colors. So I've been using them. But yeah, that's pretty much what I have there for that type of analysis. I'm short right now, but I'm still long actually. I took a lot of big trade. I told you guys. I think I told you guys the other day I was going to add to my trade if we crossed over. So VWAP crossing over zero, I added right before that, and I remember a few hours later I just checked my phone. I'm like, wow, oof, we got up. So I took a lot of profits out of that. Just left about 10%. I still have like 10%, a low amount. and just letting it ride up. I wasn't in a rush to get into a short. I was kind of just spending the day relaxing, just kind of celebrating that win a little bit because it was let's see how much. I mean, I originally was I'll show you and I have another video that shows you how I caught the falling knife over here. I was basically long since there. So I got a 35, percent percent gain, and I started out probably 5x leverage, higher leverages as we kind of went up, but I mean that was one of the best trades I've ever made. So very very successful. You don't get these opportunities all the time. When's the last time we had this much volatility? I mean, here I don't even remember if I shorted here. I don't know what I did over here, but yeah, I mean you don't get when was that? About a month, over a month ago. So you don't get that type of volatility that often. There's not that much opportunity in the market, unfortunately. Maybe if you're trading Ethereum more, but yeah. So let's go into Ethereum a little bit. I just want to see. Let's see here if I don't have lines up for it right now, but oh wait, yes I do. I do have lines. Okay. So 4 hour, basically, the same deal. Down on the VWAP. So I think we got a little bit of time before we bottom out here. 2 hour, that's yeah, we still look pretty bearish. 6 hours, basically the same deal as Bitcoin. 15 minute, that would be, if we could if we move into the red here, I mean, just look at the perspective. I mean, yeah, we'd have some red days, which is very, very expected in a situation like this. Just probably a healthy correction on the way to 100,000. Looks like. At least for what I'm hoping for. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got to say. And I think yeah, let's hope this confirms. Yeah, we got one on the Ethereum too on the weekly. Yeah, I mean this would lead us to probably a $5,000 to $10,000 Ethereum by December, maybe even slightly higher. So that's kind of my predictions for both of them. If you have any other ideas, leave a comment down below. If you like the video, please leave a thumbs up, please subscribe, and check out my affiliate links. I have the course that I took to learn to trade, great course by Jason Casper there. I got to get market Cipher, and if you want to sign up for BITGET or MEXC, link down below. Have a good one, guys. Goodbye.